Hello and welcome back to the channel. In my videos I often talk about challenges and difficulties of living in a caravan, and probably quite often you wonder what on earth are they doing? Why are they still living in a caravan if they are complaining all the time about it? Well, the truth is that there are many things and aspects of living in a caravan full time which I absolutely enjoy, and one of my favorite activities, which I do almost every day, is washing the dishes outside. And when you live in a caravan in a beautiful place like we do, washing the dishes actually becomes a leisure activity. And at least for me, the activity of washing the dishes really encapsulates the joy of simplicity of living in a caravan full time. So if you are intrigued, and if you're wondering how on earth washing the dishes could be enjoyable, keep watching, because honestly it can. Give this video a like and let's go out to the bottom shower block wash up to wash some plates. This is the state of our kitchen after lunch. Awful, isn't it? Of course we can't leave it like that because it would be unbearable. But I like it when I have a lot to wash up because I have an excuse to get out and wash my dishes outside. That's better, isn't it? All the mess is here. When we were living at home, I absolutely hated washing the dishes. But since we moved here and we started living in a caravan, I started to enjoy the process, especially if I can do it outside. If the weather permits, it's a really enjoyable activity. Check out the route to the wash up, which is over there. So, as you can see, it's a beautiful route to the wash up, and one of the main attractions is meeting people on the way. And here today is lovely Sharon.
Hello.
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 That wasn't planned at all. We are meeting for the second time.
Yes. Yeah.
Because you happen to watch our videos.
Yeah. I'm a subscriber, so yeah. And I've popped along and trying one of the glamping pods out. So
yeah, you are in the Fox. So, you know, that's the kind of things you enjoy as you are walking around, you know, with your dirty dishes. So is everything all right with the Fox? Are you having a good time here?
Yeah. I forgot my roll mat, so it's just been a hard night. But yeah, no, it's really good. Yeah, really nice. And I'm up there on my own, so yeah, it's just nice and tranquil and listening to all the bird song and everything like that. So yeah, it's nice to just get away.
It's a lovely place to relax, isn't it?
It is, yeah,
and you're busy
definitely.
now?
Yeah, just doing a little bit of sketching. I thought I'd just come out and just do a little bit of sketching and take it all in. But I'm still waiting for the sun.
Oh, I'm sure it will come back. But at least it's very quiet today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I like it like this.
Yeah.
So the calm before the storm, the bank holiday.
It is. So enjoy your drawing, your sketching. Hopefully some kingfishers will appear for you.
Yeah.
Have you seen any here?
No, I've not yet. No, so
they like to fly in and out of the island.
Right. Okay.
So you're in a good spot.
I see one. I might be able to get it quickly to put it down.
So thank you very much for watching our videos.
Thank you.
And for taking part in the vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much, guys.
Have a lovely time, Sharon.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
I'm going to carry on with my dishes.
Cheers. Thank you.
Oh, that was absolutely lovely. What a lovely meeting by chance with Sharon. Now back to my bag and back to the washing. Oh, so what were we doing? Washing the dishes, okay. So as you can see, it's absolutely charming. The walk here is beautiful. It's relaxing. And I talked to two people on my way. I talked to my neighbor and then to Sharon. And this is another thing I love about living here and being out and about. Everyone has time here. No one is rushing. People are either on a holiday or on their lunch break. And everyone has time to chat. It's absolutely lovely. So my suggestion to you, if you really hate washing your dishes, do it outside, do it in the garden, take it outside, or if you can't do it outside, at least open a window to let some nature in. I absolutely love washing the dishes here and looking at the lake, enjoying beautiful surroundings. Living in a caravan and working on a campsite in this beautiful area, in this amazing place, meeting lovely people, really spoiled us over the years. We are used to a very slow pace of living, and we learned to appreciate simple things in life. And you know, in overall, we are really happy. This is what the French call joie de vivre, the joy of living. Even thinking about washing the dishes, we all have to do it. It could be a boring chore, but you could celebrate it as well. Just like I'm celebrating washing the dishes today, enjoying myself, taking time to do it, meeting lovely people along the way, literally, making connections, having fun, enjoying beautiful surroundings around me. The downside of all this is that it takes longer. I don't know how long I've been washing those dishes today, but I'm really enjoying myself and I love washing the dishes here. And I recommend you, if you come to Mill Park, make sure you come here to the bottom shower block to wash your dishes outside. And I can guarantee that you will meet at least one person either washing the dishes alongside or fishing, walking. You will definitely strike some connection. This is a really cool thing and a souvenir and a memento of a really funny prank I made on my friend when we were making a cheesecake together many years ago. And I have a video to prove how I used the whisker, and I still have it after all these years. I wonder if you have any hacks to make everyday chores enjoyable. Do you listen to music? Do you sip wine while you do it? Do you dance? Let me know in the comments. All work done. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that living in a caravan full-time has its challenges in winter. And of course now, at the beginning of the summer, I can take time to wash my dishes very slowly, stop to talk to people, sit down to enjoy beautiful nature. If I was washing my dishes in November or February, it would look completely different. But this is another joy of this lifestyle. You learn to appreciate that nothing lasts forever. You notice the cycles of nature, the changes of seasons, and you really learn to enjoy especially dry, sunny months and to make the most of this beautiful time while the nature is at its best. The park looks the most beautiful. There are many lovely people around on the site to talk to, because come winter, the site will look completely different and lovely visitors will be gone, and I won't be able to sit here and chill in my flip-flops. Yeah, so it's not black and white, but I would say that living in a caravan full-time is very similar to living in a house, just with a bit of magic dust. You really enjoy, and you learn to enjoy simplicity of life. I'm going to sit here for a while because I can and I have time to do it. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for coming along to help me with the dishes, and thank you, Sharon, for featuring in this vlog. It's been a lovely surprise meeting you, and I'm looking forward to the evening when we can sit and chat properly over a nice drink at Bent Peg, overlooking the beautiful campsite. Thank you for watching, guys. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, it doesn't cost anything. And as a subscriber, you will get a notification each time we release a new video, so you will not miss out anything about my full-time living in a caravan and working on a campsite. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.